In this video, let us understand how to make Pets World sales and info. Here, it's like an e-commerce site and also info site. You can sell the pets related product and you can also get the information related to the pets. So two things is added in this project. So it's a web application project and it's written in C#.NET with SQL Server. So totally it's an ASP.NET technology. So in this video, we'll show you complete demo how we can do this project in ASP.NET. But still, you can able to do this in PHP or Python or in Java, because once you know the design, it's easy to do that. So if you're doing CS course and you need to do a project, I think it's a good idea. It's a good video to watch and understand how you can make the project. After that, you can plan again and then you can do this project. So here we'll provide you all the dog related informations and then we can able to sell the products related to the pets. So this is an e-commerce site and here we'll understand how we can do this. First let us look at the modules, what are the modules required in this project and what are the options we can provide in each module. So because it's an e-commerce site where customer has to buy the product, so therefore there is a customer module. So company has to manage everything, there is an admin module. So therefore two modules, one is the admin module, other one is a customer module. So where in customer, so here product, what are the products are there, we can list it actually, you can list the product from the admin. So customer can able to view the product, so let's say P1, its price is 500 rupees. So if the customer interested, he can enter the quantity and he can get the total. So you can buy this product. Once you buy, that will reflect it in the admin, so purchase list or order list. Right, so apart from this there are other options too that I'll explain you one by one. So in case of admin module, these are the options which are provided over here. One is animal type and the corresponding list. Animal breeds, so because in dog there are different breeds, so that is a corresponding list, and the animal individual animal details, that is there in the third option, and the corresponding list, and the product category list, and the product details and the list, order list, there is a customer order list, then who are the customer sign up, that list will come here. Order delivery, we can deliver to the customer. Customer payment list, if the customer make the payment, that we can see it here. FAQ is a frequently asked questions and the corresponding list. Apart from this, you can enter the kennel details and also doctor details, particularly veterinary doctors. So when the customer wants, they can contact the doctors. So if you come to customer side, customer can get the pets detail, doctor list, kennel list, delivery list, FAQ list. These are the options available for the customer. Apart from this, they can buy the product. So once you say buy product, then it will take to category. From the category, you can select the product. So if you have any project requirement, please contact us. We do real-time and academic projects. So here is the number and the email ID. Please contact us. Now let's look at the demo. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. We have many project videos in our channel. So if you want to see that videos, please right click on iBlix tutorials and open in a new tab. So here you can see when you click on videos, we have different project videos here, and also we explain like how you can make the project step by step. So when you have free time, please watch all these videos and then gain the knowledge, and also it will be very helpful for your interviews, because if you know like how to do the project, that is easy for you to explain, and when practically complete the project, then you have experience. That experience definitely counts. Okay, so therefore please watch each video when you have free time. Fine. Now we'll move on to the Visual Studio. So here we have Visual Studio 2019. So this is the community editions. So the project is already opened here, and these are the admin pages and these are the customer pages. And here is Server Explorer and here is the data connections. So if you expand data connections, you have tables. So these are the tables which you are using in the project. Fine. So what we'll do is we'll run the project. So select the project and then click on the run button here. So that is IAS Express. Now you can see that you will come to main page. So this is the main page. You can design the main page however you want. So top there is a picture, on this side there is a picture, here we have some text and all, and bottom there is one more picture, right? So now to move on, so you can click on this, then it will take to next page. So here is admin click and the customer click, right? So admin can click here, so you can go to admin login page. Fine. So whatever the one I already shown, the list is here. If you go to animal type list, so dogs is one type. So then breeds, in that bulldog, one dog is already entered. So you want to enter one more, let's say Arabian. So these are the category type dogs, Arabian dog. So you can write more details about Arabian dog here. So when you save this, there is a message, you need to clear that. So now if you go to list, so there is a Arabian. Now if you go to animal details, like here you can give individual item. So in bulldog, what are the bulldog animals are there, that we can enter. So you can put the photo also here. Fine, so we'll fill the details. So this is Arabian brownie. Fine, so these are dogs, is Arabian. So it's is Arabian brownie type. So food habit, so what food you have to give, that you have to write here. Chicken, egg, milk. So all the details you have to give. So here you can choose the file. So go to this, and then I can go to D drive. So here you can see that this is Arabian picture, Arabian dog. Then I can say save. So record saved, so therefore the entry is done. So you can go back. So if you click, so that is entered here. So next is the product category. So let's have a dog food. So now there is one category. We enter the product details. So you required one picture for this. So here is a product code. We can give pedigree adult 01. So this is a product code. So here is name. So this is a dog food, and you have to write more about it here. So what is the price you need to enter? Let's say 1200, and here is a picture. So you need to choose the picture now. So select the picture, save. So the record is saved. So likewise you need to enter all the items. So there is one product. Now if you see customer list, there is A1 customer, order delivery, there is nothing, order list, there is nothing. So now what we can do is we can copy this address, we'll log in as we'll go to one more tab, paste here. Now we can log in as a customer. So if you don't have ID, you can sign up here. So if you have ID, you can log in from this. So here you can see pet details, dog, Arabian, select. So you can see the complete details of the Arabian dog here. So if you give more and more detail, so it's very useful for the user to understand each breed, each type of animal. So here is a doctor list, who are all the doctors. Kennel list, where is a nearby kennel, so therefore you can contact them. So in case when you're traveling, you can drop your dog to the kennel. So now to buy the product, you have to go to this option and you can choose the category and select the product. So the product picture will come, and you have to enter the quantity. So one quantity and place order. Then you have to go to view cart. So there you can see that. So this is 1200. So you need to write the order amount. Then how do you make the payment? So there is a dummy payment, paid using CAN card, transaction number. So it's only indicative, so therefore you are paying 1200 to them. So here again, this is out of range date problem. So here what you have to do is, toString is not required. So you need to take out the toString. Today there is no need of this. Okay, so run this again. Fine, so you have to refresh it again. Fine, so now it is done because .toString is not required. That I removed, now it is done. Okay, so now we can see the delivery list. If there is any product delivered, nothing yet. So here the admin has to deliver the products. So here is the order. So on selecting that, mean that we are going to deliver the product. So now if I refresh this, so the product will appear. So that means the product is delivered. So the customer gets this particular product. So these are the options which are provided over here. So for entry level, I think if you do this much, it's really good. You need to keep practice and then you have to learn. So we have separate videos like how you can make the ASP.NET project. So subscribe to our channel and keep watch our channel for more products and then projects. Also you can learn like step by step. So because we are explaining the source code step by step in some videos, so please watch them too. Thank you very much.